Dear students, in this video we will continue our second poem, An Elementary School Classroom in Islam, and we will continue from the second stanza. On sour cream walls. Sour here means faded. Cream means the walls are painted with cream colors. Donation, the person who gives donation in charity. Shakespeare's hat means picture of Shakespeare. Cloudless at dawn. Dawn means early morning. Civilized dawn riding all cities. Civilized domes means major cities of the world. Belt means decorated with bells. Flowery means decorated with flowers. Tyrolische Valley. Tyrolische Valley is situated in Austria in Alpine province. Open-handed map means the map was made by hand. Awarding the world its world, and yet for these children, these windows, not this map, their world, where all their futures painted with a fog. Narrow street, sealed in with a lead sky, far, far from rivers, capes and stars of words. So, the students in this stanza, the walls of the classroom painted with green color, and the color is described as sour, or sour means dull or faded. So the walls of the classroom painted with green color, but the paint has been faded because it means that the walls has not been repainted for a long time, and the walls are covered with different charts and images that must have been donated by different peoples. Donation means the walls of the classroom must have been covered with, the walls are covered with different charts and image that must have been donated by different peoples. There is a picture of Shakespeare on the wall and a picture of landscape with open sky without cloud, early morning time, and all the big cities of world are also shown in the picture, and the picture of Tyrolische Valley, which situated in Austria in Alpine province, which was decorated with bells and flowers. There was an open-handed map which was made by hand, and this map shows the development of modern world, and it is quite different from the world of poor slum children. For these poor slum children, their world is outside their window, and in their world their future is not bright. They don't get any kind of facilities or development in their world. So there are two different worlds, one world which belongs to the poor slum children and another which belongs to the rich and affluent people of the society. Far from, for slum children, that world is their narrow street which set upon on their lives, and their narrow street where their future is dark like a lead sky, which is far from the natural beauty like natural things, rivers, capes and stars of world. Star of world means proper knowledge, proper education and proper language. So these poor slum children have to face many problems in their life. Okay students, and in third stanza, surely Shakespeare is wicked. Wicked means bad or evil. The map a bad example, with ships and sun and love tempting them to steal. For lives that sleely means secretly, turn in their cramped. Cramped means meaning confined. Tempting means alluring, attractive. From fog to endless night. On their slag heap, slag means rags, heap means pile, group. These children's wear skins peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel with mended means repaired, peeped means looked, like bottle bits on stone, pieces of bottle on a stone. All of their time and space are foggy slum. So blot their maps with slum as big as dooms. In the third stanza, in this stanza, poet says that Shakespeare is not a good example and map is also a bad example for these poor children, because the development of modern society and natural objects like sun and love and all the development and growth attracts them to get these things, so they can try to steal these things and it will be bad for the society, but their lives is only in the confined huts of these poor slum children. They spend their most of the time in their narrow street where their future is dark. They spend their morning to till night in their cramped huts, which are full of human beings and rubbish. And their clothes are looked like rags and a heap of rags. These children wear skins peeped through by bones, and the skin of these poor children looked out of their clothes like bones looked out of the skins and spectacles. And poet says that one of the boy wore a spectacle or a glass of which frame was steel and which was repaired like bottle bits on stone, and the repaired glass of the spectacles look like pieces of glass on a stone. All of their time and space are foggy slum, and all the time they have to spend in the slum area, and their space only is the slum area where they live, and they spend most of their time in the slum area. So blot their maps with slum as big as dooms. So their slum area is like a spot or a blot on the map, and which is so big as a destruction shown on the map. And the future of these poor children is quite miserable. They do not get proper environment to get development, to get growth, and their slum area is like a blot or a spot on the map of the modern society, and with the slum area is as big as doom. Doom means destruction, and it is like quite destructive for the modern society, and the modern society should have do something for these slum children or the poor people of the slum area.